I've never seen a pen storage solution quite like this one from Ferris Wheel Press. Let's get a good look at Ferris Wheel Press's new A5 Folio in their leather collection. They always have really beautiful packaging, and the leather collection they just released is no exception. They have the turquoise box, both exterior and interior have the branding, and it's their classic turquoise color. I love it when the packaging is so well thought out, not only in the way it looks, but in the way it works. It protects the products and keeps them accessible. Once you're inside your boxes, you'll be able to pull your A5 Folio out of the dust bag, and inside of the dust bag, you'll also find a separately wrapped strap. Okay, so Ferris Wheel Press's A5 Folio does have this removable strap, and it's a wrist strap, and it's really made well. It's very sturdy. It's got gold coloring on the middle parts, and the leather portion of the strap matches the leather of the Folio. And this is where you're going to go ahead and clip the strap on, and you can choose either side. The leather Folio that we're looking at here is the one in navy, but it comes in 3 different colors. You can get it in navy, and you can get it in deep teal, or you can get it in light blue. Once you unpackage it and then hook your strap on, if you want to use it that way, your A5 Folio is ready to use. Let's see what it looks like inside. It does have a snap closure, and I like how they have the little protective sticker there to protect it in transit. It does have a Ferris Wheel Press logo on the inside there, and you'll notice on either side of the interior there's a pin loop. So this is going to hold your A5 journal or notebook, and also give you a specific spot to slide in a couple of your favorite pens. I really like the shape of the opening, and then the actual flap that closes over is kind of a pendant shape. That's the name of the collection. They're calling it the Pendant Folio A5. When you have your folio all packed up and ready to go, you just take it with you wherever you want to go. These are classy. I like it. Get a good look, and then go check out the second option in the leather collection at penchalet.com.